Okay, so I went on YouTube the other day and I searched up how to make a countdown timer in Unreal Engine 4, and a bunch of crappy results came up. So I'm going to teach you how to properly make a countdown timer in Unreal Engine 4. Okay, so the first step in tackling a countdown timer is to create a widget. And I am going to call this the main UI. And then I'm gonna make another widget, and I'm gonna make this the timer. Now, once we open this timer, we can delete the canvas panel, add in a size box, set this to desired, and height and width override, and we will set this to, like, let's say something like 350 with 100. And then we want to add in a text. And now we create a custom event, and we call this timer count. And from the event construct, we set a timer by function name, and we set the function name to timer count, same as this, and we set it to looping and set the time to 1. So every second this function will fire, and we will add in a branch. And right now we need 2 integers. So the first integer will be minutes, and the second integer will be seconds. So I'm going to set this both to integers, and I'm going to check if seconds equals 0. If seconds equals 0, that means a full minute has passed. And from here, we want to add in another branch. So if seconds is equal to 0, we want to check if minutes also is equal to 0. So if both minutes and seconds equal 0, that means the timer has ran out. So I'm going to quit the game. You can do anything that you want with this, but I'm just going to quit the game. And then I'm going to set seconds to 59. And then I'm going to get our minutes, and I'm going to decrement them. I have no idea how that's pronounced, so I probably mispronounced it. And then if seconds does not equal 0, we want to decrement this one. And then we want to bind this text block to our timer. So we go to our text and we create our bind. And then we drag in both of our variables. So just like this, hold Control and drag in. And then we want to append these. So I go to string append, add this right here, and add another pin. So this minutes goes over here, and this seconds goes over here. We want to add that in here, space to the left and space to the right of this. And then in our main UI, we want to add in our timer, and we want to anchor it to the top or wherever you want to place this. And yeah, I'm going to set the alignment to 0.5 and 0.5 so it's in the center, and I'm going to set the position X to 0 and the position Y to, let's say, something like 100. And then I'm going to go in here and increase the font size, not that much, maybe like to 50, 51, 53 maybe, yep. And then I want to reset our position X, and there we go, we have our timer. Now we just have to add main UI to our viewport. So we go in begin play in our level editor. We go to blueprints, open level blueprint, and then we add we first create our widget. So create widget, and then we want to set this as our main UI. Then we want to add this to our viewport. Compile, save, and there you go. This is what we have so far. It's like as soon as you start the game, it quits because we haven't set the time yet. So we want to set the starting time of our timer in our event graph. Let's set it to 6 seconds. So after 6 seconds, it should quit the game. So it's 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and quit. And that is your countdown timer for you. This could be used for many things in your game. And thank you for watching till the end. Peace.